Hi, this is Mary here, and believe it or not, we are in Central Texas. This is my sister's house that I am living in with her, and this is the driveway and my vehicle. And as you can see, everything looks white. Now this is highly unusual in Central Texas, and this is not snow. What you're looking at is an ice storm. We'll get over here close to the car, and I can show you up close that these are little ice pellets. So it's not snow, it looks like styrofoam. All these little ice pellets. Quite interesting. Quite cold, quite unusual for Central Texas. And of course I was telling one of my cousins on the Facebook the other day, yesterday I think, that this is why I live in Central Texas, to avoid this kind of thing, but you can't always get Mother Nature to cooperate. So, my thought for the day is, stay inside. Bye-bye.